Good morning everyone, welcome to another ScraM video. Today we're going to be talking about the ScraM Designer. To get the designer you go to frequel.com/scram, and then on the top there's a red download now button. You click that and it'll get downloaded to your computer, and you can go to your downloads folder and click on the link, click on the downloaded file to launch it. Or, if that doesn't work, you can go to the command line and type java-jar scram.jar, and there's more information on the website under the designer itself, especially on a Mac. There's a special, you have to shift click open again. There's special macOS security that you have to do one time only. So when you're ready to run the designer, you do java-jar scram.jar, and it'll come up. Now, if you've ever used a visual designer tool before, this will look very familiar, but if not, let me go through this. On the left, you've got a block palette. This is a collection of tabs that show various blocks that are available for using in your modlet, and they're named here, and they're grouped into various categories. Anything from control, like loops and delays, to playing sounds, to controlling the weather, building things in the Minecraft world, all sorts of nifty blocks for just about anything you could want to do in Minecraft. On the right is your modlet itself. The blocks are here in the groupings that you place them in. To place a block here, you simply grab a block. Let me pick an event. So we'll say when a stone block is broken, you click and drag over here onto your modlet where you want it, and when you drop it, it goes right where you placed it. And then you can add other blocks. So if you want to say what happens when a stone block is broken, so you want to play a sound, you can grab the play sound block, drop it right there, and now anytime a stone block is broken when this modlet is running, an anvil use sound will get played wherever the current player is. If you want to edit a block, let's say you don't want it to be an anvil sound but you want it to be something else, you right click and then you can pick a different sound. So instead of anvil, let's say I wanted it to be a burp. Click on burp, click OK, and now we've changed the sound to be something else. And editing with right click works on just about anything you can see in the block. The pitch, the volume, where the sound is being played, so on and so forth. So you can drag and drop blocks around out here. You can even drag and drop blocks between other blocks. Like if you actually say, oh, this sound should be up here on when the gunpowder is used, you can do that. I'll move it back because I don't want to actually change this little mini game that I've got up here. If you're done with a block, let's say you realize, oh, I don't even need this b equals false block here, you can drag it onto the palette. When you let go over there, it gets erased. It's gone. Up here on the top are some buttons that do useful things. You can save your modlet, although when you switch away, when you say go over to Minecraft, it auto saves. So you rarely need to use the save button unless you're making a big change and you want to make sure you don't lose anything. The clear button will erase everything. Now, I actually like this modlet, so I'm going to say no. It asks you first because it completely erases your whole modlet. So I'm going to say no, I like this modlet as is, but if I'd clicked yes, it would have been blank. Last but not least, the options button lets you customize your modlet. The first three things let you control when people join a world that's running your modlet, what mode they're in. So, for example, I'll be in creative. My friends, you'll remember how you add friends from an earlier video with the ScraM basics. My friends will be in survival mode, and if anyone else who's not a friend joins my world, they'll just be in spectator mode. They can't do anything in the world. There's also a description and credits. These show up on the web page about your mod, your social web page on the ScraM website. And that's about it. Thank you all for watching this video about the ScraM Designer, and I hope you have fun with ScraM. Please like this video and leave a comment if you want to see something else.